If you want to sell products, collect leads, or grow your online business, you will probably need a sales funnel. A good funnel guides visitors from the first click to becoming a customer. The good news is that you don't need to know coding or web design anymore. Modern funnel builders makes the whole process much easier with drag and drop editor, and also it has the ready-made templates and built-in marketing tools. But with so many options available in the market, choosing the right one can be confusing. In this video, I will show you some of the best funnel builders that are beginner friendly and can help you to build your online business faster. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you discover the best software to grow you online. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to check the links in the description to explore the tools that I mentioned in this video. By using the description links, any available discount or promotion that will be applied automatically. Now let's get into main part of the video. Let's begin with a platform that's known for doing almost anything, and that is GoHighLevel. GoHighLevel is much more than a funnel builder. It combines sales funnels, landing pages, CRM, email marketing, SMS campaigns, appointment booking, and marketing automation all in one dashboard. You can build complete customer journeys without connecting several different tools. It also comes with ready-made templates, making it easier for beginners to launch their first funnel. As your business grows, you can continue using the same platform instead of switching to more advanced software. The good news is that if you want to try GoHighLevel, then check the description for the 30 days free trial instead of the regular 14 days. And by using the description link, you will get the access to live bootcamp. You can get some exclusive bonuses from GoHighLevel to get started. So check the link from description and explore the GoHighLevel with extended free trial with extra bonuses. Now let's get back to the video and let's talk about a tool that has helped thousands of online businesses, that is ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is one of the most recognized funnel builders on the market. It focuses on helping businesses to create high converting sales funnels using an easy drag and drop editor. You can build landing pages, checkout pages, membership sites, and upsell funnels without writing code. It also has templates for different business types, so you don't have to start from a blank page. If your main goal is selling products or services through funnels, then ClickFunnels is a strong choice. Now let's move to a platform that's perfect for beginners on budget. System.io is popular because it combines funnel building with email marketing automation, online courses, and website creation, all in one affordable platform. The interface is simple to understand, making it a great option for people who are building their first online business. Instead of paying for several tools, you can manage most of your marketing from one place. Now we are getting close to our final recommendations. GetResponse is best known for email marketing, but it also includes a powerful funnel builder. You can create landing pages, lead magnets, sign up forms, email sequences, and complete conversion funnels from one dashboard. This makes it a great option for businesses that want to grow an email list while also building sales funnels. If email marketing is an important part of your business, GetResponse gives you an excellent combination of both. And finally, here is a platform that's focused on creating high converting landing pages. Lead Pages is designed to help businesses generate more leads and sales with professional landing pages. While it is simpler than some all-in-one platforms, it includes beautiful templates, pop-ups, alert bars, and lead capture forms that help you to increase conversions. If your main goal is collecting leads rather than building complex marketing system, LeadPage is an easy platform to learn and use. So which one should you choose? If you want an all-in-one marketing platform with funnels, CRM, automation, then GoHighLevel is one of the strongest options available. If your focus is building professional sales funnels for products and services, ClickFunnels is a proven choice. If you are looking for an affordable platform that's easy to learn, then System.io offers excellent value for beginners. If your business depends on email marketing as well as funnels, then GetResponse gives you both in one platform. And if your goal is creating simple, high-converting landing pages to collect leads, Lead Pages is definitely worth considering. The good news is that you don't need the most expensive software to build successful funnels. The most important thing is choosing a platform that matches your business, learning how to use it well, and continuously improving your funnel over time. Even a simple funnel can produce a good result when it clearly solves your customer's problem and guides them through the buying process. And that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope this guide helped to discover some of the best funnel builder and made it easier to choose the right one for your business. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe this channel, and don't forget to check the description for the tools that I mentioned in this video. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.